Hi, I'm going to do a quick walkthrough for Little Liza Jane, Clawhammer Banjo. Quick talk about the tuning. This is like standard G tuning, but it's lower than that. And if you tune it like this, you can play along with Banjo 3. So this is E, and that's B, that's E, that's G sharp, and that's B. And so tune like that, and you can play along with Banjo 3. And it goes like this. So it's a nice little tune. It goes, it's kind of verse chorus structure because it's a song. I got a friend in Baltimore, hey little Liza Jane. She has streetcars past her door, little Liza Jane. Hey little Liza Jane. Hey little Liza Jane. And so on. So show you how that goes. So this is the verse. So I got a friend in Baltimore. Open second string. I got a friend, and then fifth string. I got a friend in. So friend is second fret, third string in Baltimore. So that's Baltimore. Second string open for Baltimore. Third fret and then fifth fret. I got a friend in Baltimore. Oh, little Liza. She has streetcars past her door. Oh, little Liza. Hey, little Liza Jane. Hey, little Liza Jane. So, you just that verse again. Little Liza Jane. Open second fret on the third string. Little Liza Jane. Little Liza. So that's lie, second fret, third string. Liza is a pull off, so pull off from the second to open. Jane, and that's an open second string with a hammer on. Jane. She got streetcars past her door, little Liza Jane. And that ends on the open third string. So, I got a friend in Tokyo, little Liza Jane. And walk and feel the cold winds blow, little Liza Jane. And then the chorus. Oh, and that's the fifth fret, first string. Oh, little open, just pull off. Oh, little Liza, so that's open. Little Liza Jane. Oh, little Liza Jane. So fifth fret. Oh, little Liza Jane. Oh, little Liza Jane. And that's how it goes. I think there's lots of different ways to harmonize to it. It's one of those songs, your campfire song that you can sing in rounds. You can sing with beautiful harmonies, and yeah, we Banjo 3 do a fab job, to be honest, and there's some nice Clawhammer banjo in there. And so on. Yeah, I hope you play that. I hope you like it. I hope you fish out the wee Banjo 3 one, because that's really nice. And yeah.